Hi, I'm Trethewey, a graduate student here at Tufts University. What we're looking at here is the mechanical space of the Solar Decathlon house. What I want to show to you is we have 5 solar hot water panels that send hot water down from the roof to this buffer tank. From this buffer tank, the domestic water is heated and flows out through this outlet pipe. It feeds down from that outlet into this inlet. From this tank, it's electrically heated for the days of low sunlight. So we have hot water that feeds out of the auxiliary tank and feeds into this mixing valve. This mixing valve measures the temperature that it's feeding, and it knows what temperature needs to be inside the house. So based on that, it will open or close the mixing valve to let more temperature or less temperature in. From there, it feeds into our circulator pump. From here, it's pumped into the floor. This is the radiant floor heating system for the core. We have plastic tubing that runs in these aluminum channels. The very low temperature water hits these aluminum panels, radiates heat off to the building, and it will just spiral back and forth through the floor. This is our energy recovery ventilator, also known as an ERV. And if we were to look inside, the key here is that we have a cross flow of heated air in the wintertime, preconditioning the air entering the house, or in the summertime, we get cooling with cool air crossing past and pre-cooling our air that's entering the house. This is our active cooling system. What it is a fan. It's a fan that sucks in air from the room and it sends it through a coil. That coil is either cooled or heated to deliver hot air or cool air to the room. Our complete wall is an R40. That is comprised of 4 inches of rigid foam board insulation and 6 inches of blown-in cellulose. The windows on our house are triple pane argon filled. That gives us about an R5.5. What that means is that they're very resistant to heat leaving the building. We have 28 photovoltaic panels on the roof. They feed down into this electrical meter box. If we're generating more electricity than we're using, the meter spins backwards and feeds electricity back to the grid. The siding for our house is red cedar. Looks very pleasing as well as low maintenance. The decking is a recycled composite and wood material. It also lasts a very long time, very little maintenance. As you can see, we have plastic containers. These containers will be home to our plants, our fruits, our vegetables. We'll have plastic containers that will fill this entire area. They'll be watered with our rainwater catchment system. Rainwater is collected on the roof. It then is deposited in these tanks. The water then travels out of these tanks with this pipe here. It comes to this pump. For this pump here, it's then used to water our garden and our plants.